Hello guys, welcome back on Eliel Smite. So today I'm gonna be explaining to you how to put resistance in series and parallel on a breadboard. This is a breadboard. So for those who don't understand how a breadboard works, I've done a video that explains how it's working. The link is just down below. You can just go and watch it. That will be easier for you. So today I'm going to be explaining to people how to put resistance in series and parallel on a breadboard. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. You can do that in like 30 seconds. So let's go, guys. So we got our two resistance. The first one is 1K, the second one is 1K. First step, how to put it in series. It's pretty simple. So we're gonna have our first one, we're gonna put it like that. This is our first one. And the second one, we're just gonna put this first, will be here on the same line. I think you guys can see it. And the second one will be somewhere that you guys will want. But those two have to be in the same line in order to have connection. So this is two resistance in series. And if you want to plug cable, it's pretty simple. You'll have this one. You plug this one in the same line as that one. Oh, no, that one. Yes. And the second one, the same line as this one. That's how you put it in series. That's pretty simple, and you will use those two cables for your DC power supply. That's how you plug it in series. I hope you guys can see it well. Now, how to put it in parallel. This is pretty simple, it's easier than the first one. So we have this resistance, we're just gonna put this one on the same line. So this one will be on the same line, this one too. I put it and then you guys, sorry for my hand. Okay, so you guys can see that those two are in the same line. This is how you put two resistance in parallel. And you can put this cable right here in the middle of them, the same line, and the second one will be right here. You can even put that, it doesn't matter. As I said, guys, if you're not familiar with how a breadboard is working, you can just go ahead and watch my other video. The link is in my description. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this one really helped you. If you guys have any question or anything that you'd like me to explain to you how to do it, please let me know in comments. Tell me what you'd like me to do. And also don't forget to subscribe, like the video and share it. I will see you next time. See you.